Android packets installer not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you launch the settings application, scroll down and tap on the option of apps. As you tap on apps, tap on manage apps over here. So simply tap on the search bar and search for package installer option. As you do that, there will be apps that pops up. So just search for the application over here. So let's just search for it and then tap on it. As you do that, you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on clear data and then clear the cache and tap on OK. Now you can also tap on uninstall updates over here and then reinstall it, and that might also help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.